So those are the latest numbers that are coming in from the national capital. But let's take a look at the nationwide picture as well. Let's break down for you where India stands in the fight against coronavirus when compared to other countries as well. We're breaking down the numbers for you. Here's a breakdown of the worst affected countries in the world and where India stands among all of those countries. These are the numbers that we have for you. The United States has now the most number of coronavirus cases with 19,20,061 cases. Brazil, which has been seeing a huge spike in the last few days, particularly because of Bolsonaro refusing to take it seriously, has 6,72,846. You then have the United Kingdom with 2,86,294. And right there is India at fourth position, right after the UK, just about 40,000 cases difference. In fact, India at this point has 2,46,628 cases. Then you have the European countries of Spain and Italy. You've got Peru, France and Germany. These countries, remember, were grappling with coronavirus a month or so ago when India still had things under control. In the last few days, 1 week or so, we've been seeing a huge spike in the number of cases, and that's led to India shooting right up there to fourth position. We're about 40,000 cases odd away from the United Kingdom, and let's hope that the number of cases, the rate of infection is something that we can bring under control soon.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.